Are you struggling to get PMP certified? I have good news for you. I have created a 3 step formula and it will make your life easy. Step 1, learn. Step 2, practice. Step 3, review. Let's dig it in more details. Step 1, self paced learning. I will create learning management system access for you where there are 6 modules which you will study at your own pace. No live classes, no pressure. All right. Step 2 is exam simulations. So I'll create an access for you on Udemy, my best simulator. You will attempt full length exams there in exam line like conditions. All right. Step 3 is personalized coaching and guidance. This is where I will sit with you for 2 to 3 hours after attempting each full length exam. So we will review all of your all answers. Why every correct answer is correct and why every incorrect answer was incorrect. All right, so we will repeat this process for 8 to 9 times. So you will attempt 8 to 9 full length exams. All right, until I get the confidence that you are exam ready. All right, so if you are ready to sign up, the link is given below and my mobile number is given, email address is given. All right. So as soon as you will sign up, I will create both accesses for you for learning management system and Udemy. And let's get started.